Ladies and gentlemen, step into a brighter future by launching your own solar panel home business. Welcome to a world of opportunity and sustainability. Visit our website at greenenergywealth.com or contact us now, 346-704-1754. Call. Discover how you can earn $20,000 monthly with your own solar energy panel business. Earn money by simply mailing my hot money-making solar energy panel business flyers and postcards. Partner with me and gain access to reliable solar panel suppliers and top home security providers like Brinks and ADT, ensuring high-quality smart home and business security service, travel, and discount shopping for your clients. This unique offer allows you to earn income from multiple streams, something no other company provides. Solar energy is not just a trend, it's a revolution. With the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions, now is the perfect time to start your own solar panel business. Imagine helping families reduce their electricity bills while protecting the environment. As a solar energy entrepreneur, you'll make a difference and secure a lucrative income. Getting started is simpler than you might think. Here's how you can launch your successful solar energy panel business in a few easy steps. Step 1. Go to my website. Visit greenenergywealth.com to explore the information and watch the video. Step 2. Choose the starting level that suits you best to kickstart your solar business immediately. Step 3. Reach out at 346-704-1754 to customize your flyer or postcard. Let's craft a personalized marketing strategy to reach potential customers, leveraging social media, local advertising, and word-of-mouth referrals. Review your website to ensure all your information is accurate. Step 5. Familiarize yourself with the training materials, videos, and marketing resources, and explore your back-office website. With my hands-on helping you dedication and the right approach, you can achieve and exceed $20,000 in monthly earnings. The demand for clean energy solutions is growing, and your opportunity is now. Join the solar revolution and create a sustainable future for yourself and the planet. Start your journey today. My lucrative solar energy flyers and postcards educate customers and direct them to your website, handling all the selling and telling for you. You sit back and get paid for mailing your personalized flyers and postcards. My personal sponsored sign-up bonuses. Starting at level 1 or 2, I will create a professional video commercial just like the one you're watching and post it online for you. Additionally, you'll receive $1,000 worth of grocery coupons of your choice. With these coupons, you can't lose. You'll save hundreds on your grocery bill while building your business. There's 2 levels to get started, $199 one time and $149 one time. For more information, visit our website at greenenergywealth.com or contact us now 346-704-1754. Call now. Let's make the world a brighter place together.